gonna record that too.
Street ball.
No, I took a picture.
Yeah. It's 2 to 3.
3. 3 to 3.
It's 2 to 3.
I had 2 last time.
Oh, 3 to 3. Alright, check it. Chicken legs are up.
Okay, what?
Yes! 3-pointer!
No, that does not count. You
Mom.
did not give me a pre-warning.
Chicken legs are allowed. It counts. It's 4 to 3. You can chicken leg. Are you gonna end up chicken legging?
Are you really taking a video of this?
Is he really taking a video of this?
No, I just had my camera.
I think he's really...